start anytime you want. Remember, I can edit it out. So.
Okay. Hello again. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to do a little unboxing of an order that I got from Bead Box Bargains. They are a monthly subscription box. It's Bargain Bead Box, and for less than $20, you get a box of beads every month. But with that subscription, you also get a 30% off coupon every month to order from their sister site, Bead Box Bargains. And they also were having a sale, so I decided to order just some filler things. It's a lot, but they have really good prices, and most of the things that I've gotten from them are fairly high quality. So I just wanted to share a few things with you. These are some crystals that I got. They always add a little freebie in with them. I went ahead and got these. They are birthstone crystals. I will dump one of these out for you so you can see what they look like. I'll get a lighter color to make it easier. These are little birthstone pendants, and in each package you get 4, and I got one for each of the months of the year. I'll just set all of those aside. I also got quite a few of their stainless steel beads. They had a special on them. Let me look at this. And 50 pieces for $1.99. So I got a bunch of different sizes of the stainless steel beads. Another thing that I got were the pearls. They had a strand of freshwater pearls, and I got them in a couple of different colors. Here's the white. You can see in the different sizes. I also got just some basic findings, and most of those are about 99 cents a pack, give or take. I got some crystal rondelles. I will take these out of the package so you can see them. They're really pretty. They're the gunmetal. I got those. They had some cute little charms. Got some mushrooms. Who doesn't like mushrooms? So the mushroom charms, they're cloisonné in a rose gold. So little mushrooms. Got a couple of packs of those. Those were $1.99, I believe, for the 4. Those are some more of the stainless steel beads and findings. Let's get into the second bag. Like I said, I got quite a bit. I did get some quartz crystal beads for bracelet making. They had the quartz crystal on clearance. And this is a nice 15-inch strand, quartz crystal beads. I got 2 of those. And with their subscription boxes, they also have the extras from the subscription boxes. So you can buy extras. And in one of our past subscription boxes, they had a moon theme. So I ordered extras of these sun and moon pendants. And they were 99 cents each. Got quite a few of those. I have someone that requested that I make them a blue sandstone necklace. So I ordered these pendants to go with them to put into that design. They're a lot larger than I thought they were going to be. But here's that pendant. They're really pretty. It's a little flower here, very well made. I got a few of those. I also have an order for a necklace for, well, with a turtle theme. So I got this connector to put into that. Some more findings here. I did order quite a few of the very heavy duty magnetic clasps. So this is, one side has the crystals and then the other has just a swirl pattern on it. Those are very nice. And I got a number of, I just got some plain hearts in different finishes, and then I got the round ones. They also had some sodalite pendants. I believe maybe that was lapis. And then I got a couple of packages of these. They're the toggle clasps. So with these, you get 2 sets of toggles and 2 charms to go with them. And those were $1.09 for that set. It's really good prices. And then I got some apatite beads. Can never have enough apatite beads. And these were also in one of their past monthly subscription boxes. So, and the rest of these are just the different magnetic clasps and some findings. And then I got these beads. I'm trying to see how much these were, because I do not remember. These were $1.92 a strand. These are the blue-green mountain jade beads, and they are 8mm, so I got 2 strands of those. And This is another one of the magnetic clasps that I got. I don't have a lot of antique gold, but this is a little flower on one side and then it has a design on the other, and they're very heavy duty magnetic clasps. So anyway, that's what we have today, and I thank you for joining me, and I can't wait to see you next time. Have a great day.